bearing such no problem. Breathe in, breathe out. And but the breathe in, breathe out. Ultimately, ultimately. Come on, breathe out slowly. Breathe out slowly. Breathe out slowly. Breathe out slowly. Take it slow. This is completely. Take it slow. Apply force to the hinds. Apply force to the hinds. Take it slow. Breathing out, breathing out. And when you breathe out, press the abdomen. It's called mind breathing. Press the abdomen. A child does abdominal breathing. When you look at the child, a small kid, the child does abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing, chest breathing, lungs breathing, throat breathing, nose breathing. We are not doing even nasal breathing. All the time one way traffic. Sinus, left sinus or right sinus. Hyderabad nose doesn't work properly. Clear. Different Hyderabad nose. All the time one way traffic. Okay. But you need your two passes. This is Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi. Right nostril works for the body. Left nostril works for the mind. Both are equal. Evenness. Repeat. Evenness. Even breathing. Evenly. Heavenly. Okay. That you have to achieve. Maximum. Look at the sun. So the neem leaves. Green neem. Maximum. Down. Zero state. Once again, up, breathe in, breathe in, free the hands, complete. Let your palm look at the sky. Let the clouds watch you. Let the sun watch you. Let the sun say good morning to you. Sun is our teacher. Down, very nice, very nice. Yes. Ground, very nice. Maximum exhalation. Exhale maximum. Very nice. Beautiful. Up. Breathe in. Maximum. Good morning to the sun is maximum. You will not have any sight. Sun is ultimate energy, infinite energy. Sun is the infinite, boundless, infinite battery charge. Down, breathe out. Breathe out, down, maximum. Very nice. Up, breathe in. Once again, final. Maximum, come on, fall back. Look at the sky. Breathe in, breathe out, normal. Very good. Maximum hands should go, maximum back. Breathe in, breathe out, normal. 5 breaths. 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Down, relax. Maximum breathing in. Come on, down, breathe out, slow, very slow. Zero state. Full empty, full empty. Okay, come on once again. Come on, take hands like this. Come on, breathe in maximum. Full air in now. Okay, come on down, emptying. This is again upper side is a big shape. Come on once again, come on. Okay, come on, ready, get ready. Come on, do the hands like this, freely, hands. Come on, freely, your hands. Come on, okay. Much better. Pavlika? Huh? Ready? Come on. Washing clothes. Okay, Dhobi pranayama. Come on. Joor se, come on. Don't act. What's your name? Dibakshi. Okay, joor se. Maximum. Yes. Upper part. I'm concentrating upper part. Shoulder part. Come on. Breathe in. Come on. Joor se. Apply force. Nasal breathing. Blasting air. Air blasting. Air blasting. Emma, blasting చేయట్లే. ఏదో చేయట్లే. గట్టిగా. You never get obese, I tell you. I'll one time pizza. But obese, never get. Okay. Alright. Okay, ready? Next time. Come on, down. Breathe out maximum. Down. Forehead touching the ground. So the maximum possible. Don't worry. Do not trouble the body. Okay? Mind must be kind to the body. Otherwise, the body also become unkind to your mind later. Okay? Come on, down maximum. Come on, up, breathe in. Up, breathe in. Like King Cobra. Up, breathe in. Maximum. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Maximum. Very nice. Breathe in, breathe out. 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 5 breaths. Down, breathe out. Come on. Yes, up. Down, breathe out. Breathe out, nasal. Nasal. Note to God. Mukko. Come on. Up, breathe in. గట్టిగా చెట్లు ఊడిపోవాలి. అప్ డౌన్ ఏంటి చెట్లు ఊడాలి. అప్ జోర్సే డౌన్ అప్ జోర్సే అప్ డౌన్ అప్ డౌన్ అప్ డౌన్ అప్ డౌన్ అప్ డౌన్. రిలాక్స్ కొంచెం వెనక్కి. Because when you concentrate on the amoebia's germs will be there. Most important. Pranayama requires complete congenial, hygienic and surveillance change. Okay? Then amoebia's some germs will be there. Ready? Come on. Yes. Krishna. Jor se bolna. You're not doing properly. Come on. Come on. 5 times. Come on. Don't worry. Cut. Very nice. Don't worry. Kapha water pita. What is it? Okay? Come on once again. Jor se. Vaadi motta uvadu. Only bukke. Vaadi uvutande energy ledhu. Okay? Simple. Low battery. Okay? Ready? Come on. Up. Breathe in. Down. Breathe out. Up. Down. Breathe out. Up. Breathe in. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Dead slow. Up. Dead slow. Wait there. Wait there. Very nice. Down slowly. Wait for a while. Again up. Wait for a while. Breathe in. Breathe out. No problem. Look at the sky. Breathe the sky. Breathe the trees. Free of cost. No fees. Down. Breathe out. Relax. 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 Maximum. Come on, down, breathe out. Come on, once again, breathe in. Maximum. Complete. Down, breathe out. Air. Gases, toxins, free up. Come on. Close it. 1, 2. Come on. Wait. Follow the count. Follow the count. Come on, love, keep like this. Come on, breathe out. 1, 2. Come on. Breathe out. Breathe out. Come on, जोर से. Fast. Go fast. See. Come on, जोर से. Yes, that's fine. The upper part of the body all controlled. जोर से. Perfectly. That's good. Complete. Above. Next item. Come on. Yes. Here. Right eye. Okay. Yes. Don't press. Come on. Up, breathe in. Up. Maximum. Down, breathe out. Do not lose the elbow. Same position. Down. Up, breathe in. Maximum. Look at the sky. Down. Up. Down. Up. up. You should remember gap in between, no gap in between hands. A force apply here. Okay? Come on. Up. Breathe in maximum. Up. Out. Down. Breathe out. Slowly. Maximum down. Up. Down. Now we'll pick up the speed. Okay. This part. Okay. Toxin free. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Breathe out. Blasting air. Nasal breathing. जोर से. जोर से. जोर से. Yes. Very good. जोर से. Is the most important naval region. Manipura Chakra. 70,000 nerves are there. Naval region. Through this we take nourishment with the womb of the mother. What is life? What is joy? Okay? Come on, once again, breathe in. Come on, once again. Come on. Once again. Once again. जोर से. Once again. Once again. Once again. Once again. Now second step is, when you're exhaling, you're concentrating, pressing. Okay. Second step is 1, 2, 3 type. Highest laughter. Like a wave. Like this. Like this. Okay. Gatti, जोर से. Ain't got जोर से बोलो. Right? Okay. You're enjoying feeling. Unconditional in the nature. Okay. Come on, breathe in. Once again. Come on. Come on. जोर से. Once again. Once again. Ajit. जोर से. Once again. Yoga walk. Okay. Yoga walk like this. Come on. Let's focus. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Go back. Go back. Yes, you can dance. Yoga dance. You can dance. Yoga dance. Yes. Hands, move hands. Move hands. Yes. Yoga dance. Very nice. Yoga dance. Very nice. Very nice. Jumping. Come on. Breathe out. Jump. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go backward, forward. Forward. Relax. This is very tough. Okay. Breathe out. Breathe out. Come on. Jump. Jump. Come on. Breathe out and jump. Yes. Don't take breath out. Step out. Step out. Come on. Kick yourself. Come on. Kick yourself. Kick back. Urinary central system, lumbar region. L1, L2. L1, L2. Kick back. Back. Front. Back. Back. Go back. Front. Back. Final. Okay. Front. Final. Relax. Go back. Relax. Ready? You are going to hold system of the body now. Okay, ready? Like down, whole system of the body. Okay? Maximum. Apply force. There should not be any force in between. Ready? Not only arrow must go get in. Okay, ready? Come on, breathe out, down. Breathe out, down. Put your hands on the down, ground. Up, breathe in. Up, breathe in. Up, breathe in. Maximum. Maximum. Bend back. Very nice.